Welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Kevin, and I'm gonna show you today how easily you can convert Adobe XD files to .fig files in order to import them in Figma. A lot of our users actually asked for this feature because more and more people are moving to Figma these days. So we decided to implement it, and it's been launched a few days ago, and we're gonna dig into it now. So let's get started. I did prepare a little test file, which I got from a designer on Dribbble. He had it as a freebie, so we're gonna look into this design. It's gonna have a few screens, actually 4 screens. Each screen is gonna have different elements of symbols, masks, path elements, everything you can possibly think of. And we are going to convert this file today to Figma. And as we're going to see later, the result is going to be a one-to-one replication in Figma, including all the naming structure of your file and everything else. So let's go ahead and upload this file that we just looked at here. So we're just gonna drag and drop it here. I'll type in my email address now here and then upload the file. After the file has been uploaded, you will see a preview of the design file in the top section. And then all you have to do is click on Convert Now, and you will see our payment dialog. So once you've completed the payment process, the converter is automatically going to start working on your file and convert each of the artboards. It will show you the progress here. All right, so here we go. The file has been successfully converted and we can now download it. So let's go ahead and do that. Simple click here and the download has started. It's done. And now we can head over to figma.com and pretty much just import our file here. Drag and drop. And it will import the .fig file, which we converted from the XD file. And once the import process here is done, we can actually take a look if everything's there as it is in the XD file. That means we're going to have a look at symbols, layers, folder structure, and everything now. All right, so here we go. That's the file. And as expected, it looks just like our XD file. So let's have a more detailed look here at, for example, the start screen and what kind of layers we have here. So yeah, we have the secondary button, which is a component / symbol. It has been converted perfectly fine. We have pretty much like the images, which is the illustration here, for example, has been carried over. Pretty much all the names of the layers are exactly the same as they are in our XD file, as you can see here. Even the masking has been fully converted, so all that stuff is just like it was in the XD file. Yes, so everything seems to be in order. An interesting thing that we can now maybe look at as well is here in the components section, you will find all the components that you had in your XD file, and those are exactly the same as if you would take a look here at the Figma equivalent of it. So yeah, and that's pretty much how easy it is to convert the files with our tool from Adobe XD to Figma. And now you could just continue your work here, and that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you around. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.